Good morning and welcome to CDT Day 50. Unfortunately, something happened. I screwed up in some way, so a lot of the video from this day is gone. I'll fill in the details the best I can from memory, but unfortunately, a lot of it's just not there. I don't know what happened, but fortunately, it was only this day that was affected, so far everything else is good to go. But we'll continue with whatever clips I have from them. We camped behind this gas station last night. Really hiker trash. And then we woke up this morning, everything was cool, packed up, and now we're just gonna get some breakfast and hit the road. So let's get to hiking. Look at that magpie. Breakfast time. How about a little bit of breakfast pizza while walking? Oh, gas station breakfast pizza. Doesn't get better.
God damn it.
They like when I do YouTube.
Look at that cool train.
Oh, cool little train. Nice. Entering the Rio Grande National Forest again. We're back, baby. And it's pretty out here. There are some beautiful parts of this road walk. Colorado is famous for its spring monsoons, and that's starting to happen right now. So I'm hiding out underneath a bridge by the river. Well, hopefully this thunderstorm passes through. There's some real loud cracks. So you got some thunder and lightning, and sounds a bit menacing. The sun's out though, because there's like clouds over here, sun over here. But I just want to stay dry, and I don't want to get burnt alive by a lightning strike. So just chilling under here for a little bit. I got time, so we'll just wait it out, and hopefully once it passes over, just keep on walking. So that's where the rest of the day cuts out. So after that, it's pretty much from memory. But the storm did pass through. Didn't have to worry about rain too much, so I was able to continue walking through the rest of the day. The whole thing was basically a road walk from the town of South Fork, where I started, to the town of Creede, where I finished. It was 23 miles, and all on paved road that was pretty dry, which is nice. But I kept walking for a while, and somebody dropped by in a car and dropped off a tall boy of beer for me, which was really nice. A couple of hikers, actually, that I know, so that was cool. And then got into town, met up with Jesus and Two Slice, and went to a place called Kip's. Had some dinner, which was really nice. It was like an all-you-can-eat Sunday buffet of like tacos, burritos, wings, all this stuff. Really good. Had some margaritas, which was sweet. And then after that, we're looking to save some money because we've been spending a lot on motels and things like that. So we heard from our navigation app GutHook that people have been able to camp in the town baseball park for free. So we thought we'd try that, and on the way down, we were stopped by the town sheriff, and he was just wondering what we were up to, and we said that, we might try to sleep there, and he said, you guys are good to go as long as you don't make any noise or any fires or anything destructive like that. So it was really nice to have somebody receptive like that, just to let us stay somewhere when they know we're not going to do any harm. So we slept in a dugout on the baseball field and just cowboy camp, just laying on the benches in there, and a really comfortable night. That was basically it, just one big long road walk with some beautiful rivers and mountains and things like that, and then making it into town, having some drinks and some food, and seeing a lot of other hikers as well who were also in the town, and then going to bed, getting to see some cool stars. So it was made for a nice evening. Another thing I noticed was during this road walk, I was able to get some service, and I was just checking old emails because I haven't checked them in a while. Whoops. And one of the emails I had was that there was money for me in PayPal. I was wow, that's crazy. So I checked it, and it was from my aunt and uncle donating to this hike, to my channel for YouTube. And so I just wanted to give a big thank you to my Aunt Denny and Uncle David for your generous donation. It was very helpful, and I appreciate it so much. And you guys don't need to give me any money. I love having you guys around regardless. And that brings about another topic that helps me through all my hikes of having privilege, is having such an amazing support system with my family and friends. I always have people there for me, and it's a really cool thing. You know, my parents and grandparents watch all my videos. My Aunt Denny and Uncle David, my Aunt Pam, my Uncle Matt, and Aunt Sue. And, everybody's really engaging and always commenting on everything I post and seeing everything. So it's really cool to have that. And then just to be able to have everybody supporting me along the way is awesome, because that's a really important thing to have. You know, if you don't have any family or connections like that, you have my sympathy and my respect, because it is tough to do without. I mean, there's so many other things I could be doing if I wasn't steered in the right direction by these people. I could be doing drugs or doing the alcohol more than I already do. I could be selling my body in the streets. Who knows what'll happen. But I really owe a lot, or most of what I have right now, my ability to hike, my education, everything that I've worked for in life, to my family for being so supportive of me. And so I thank you all and everybody that I haven't met for watching my YouTube videos and being so supportive and giving such kind words in the comments. I really appreciate it. And extra special shout out and thank you to Denny and David for your awesome donations. And if anyone else is interested, I have links in my description for all kinds of stuff like that, right in the bottom of every YouTube video. I'm just happy to make these videos just to have something for me to look at later on in life, so I don't expect anything. So there's a huge thank you to everybody. And I think that was it from that day. So that was kind of wrapping up the end of CDT day 50. Unfortunately, lost a lot of footage, so I didn't have the best things to show you guys, but hopefully you got a little bit of a taste of what it was like. And we'll pick it back up tomorrow with day 51, where there's actual film for the whole day. So thanks for sticking around for that.